Tutorial video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom WhatsApp link for your website. Maybe particularly you want to have it on a business card or some form of other alternative that you'd like to have this link embedded on. I'm going to show you how to do that, but for this particular purpose of the video, it's going to be on a website button. So without taking up too much of your time, let's jump straight into it. So what I'm going to do is, for the sake of this video, I'm going to jump into my website, my personal website, and I'm going to show you how you can be able to embed this link into one of the buttons. A call to action button would be rather of a useful case scenario. So I'm going to just scroll right down to the bottom. I'd like to duplicate this section at the bottom here, and what I'd also like to do is just remove this video that's playing in the back of it so that it's just a little bit cleaner so that you guys can see what I'm particularly doing. Then what I'd like to do is also just replace message with WhatsApp. So send me a WhatsApp and let's get started on your next project. If you're a service-based company, if you like to take orders on your products, then you can just send me a WhatsApp to take your order or anything of that nature. Then we're going to click on the button here where we would be embedding our link on the left. I'm going to remove that and I'm going to jump straight into Google. So this is where for you, you'd be coming on to create your WhatsApp link, right? We're going to say create WhatsApp link. And let's jump into the first link. That's create wa.link WhatsApp, obviously. And then you're going to get onto this landing page of this website, and we're going to create a free WhatsApp link. And because I'm in South Africa, I'll enter my number 614176763, and we'll say, hey there, how may I help you progress today? Right? And we're going to generate that WhatsApp link, and that custom message obviously is when someone clicks on the link, they'll be greeted by that message. Oh, is it because, okay, so I need to copy this link. I'm going to copy that link, and I would paste that link right here in my button so that when people click on that, it takes them straight to my WhatsApp where we're greeted by that custom message that says, hey there, how may I help you progress today? And it's really as simple as that. If you wanted to have it on a different platform such as Facebook or any other social media platform or third-party platform you deem this link necessary on, then that's all you have to do. And with that being said, well, happy link creating, and I thank you so much for joining me. Please, this is the segment where I'd ask you, don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell so that you're notified every time I drop a new video. And if you're finding these videos rather informative and you're getting some form of value from it, then please like, share, subscribe, and all that kind of good stuff. I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Till then, keep making progress.